Sompa ba ebe sunima. For we fit the to Sompa. Fato Sompa TV. Na ya wani pama o. Na unu huarada. If it's a good day munsamo ubenya. Abera bom munsamo ubenya. Nyamsum munsam ubenya. Aniji munsam ubenya. Enyumpa na kakuma ubenya. Yamaimu amanyosam ubenya. Osumpa di bravo ubenya. Ubenya nina ubenya. Sompa TV. Yabana papini su. Sompa.
No se twatwo we anwumere de memene da no se ananya bono ensem a yabo no sansantrofo amasamufo asonum na anwumere edi ani nyina hwe enti seye wiase nyina pa no so YouTube ho a Sompa FM live, Facebook no ye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, afe wa somon so no ebe ya otesata Accra de eno de yankura bata ni nyina ededem every 106.5 on cry no live on 93.1 afe 90.7 esa live for ho sabre kro na 98.9 eno so live enti unya firi asantemamu uduru bro na hinkuru konkransa eno na mabo amoy 106.1 techiman eno ye bro east hinkuru de no na ototom na afe ko atoya 103.3 takura de Sompa abusua ye live e wodoma 100.7 mani masase password ni painam ena Sompa doma 101.3 wono nso antwanya wafa bie sabra manugusu no udura damfo pa radio France abrochi mamu a ensempa e koso aka kase yi edem wo mobie ni wayi made hye nyina wonom efa bi na mom anwumire ya ye bei no midimafo ha ba sente edima e sanse wo de time ato ye nso ena time no nso TIME malaria do tatashe na eno achi no nso esa ye immune booster ni echechi no na dwuma ye no abusua we bia ye baite ne hotui se wani je ho na opese dwadie ne ntotoye pa wo do ho hyem na ja wonya commission egu botomu a ene adwuma bi se wo hwehwe marketers ni wono ma ye adwuma ukure chandi degree ana SHS na wawie na nso wakwada wo mu a udem yare bia ne ho a sabi ye defa 21st clinic ni ebewie ni yade nda so te yenso wuduru ho ne se yade yira ma wanya ahoto eye bafua nanso siateka no adwuma so na ye bo ho ye hwehwemu hunu ye ni etumi sa ye nti wono mo frɛ ni peseta saa na wo mo frɛ ne researcher ena afi ne commandant anasa originator anwumire nsam na ye de ba no edoso papa de edi mu akotena beti no bi ene se
afutu akọ bia ma wono mo wa santemanto mo se wo munyai se wo mu sisi dan esi ba bia enzu anamo no na enye eno ka ho bi na yehunu ne yehunu
na afutuo ne kokobo akọ ede amatimamufuo ewo kwan a yefa so a yembobre ene afenso yen niema yeye wo omaiga na mu amse wo se hwe na yede emra eta ato na hwan ana etufuo yi
adadua o twatwo obewu no nipa wo no nso twatwo obewu enti wo sabere bia ye dua nnua na nipa akoso atenase onabo ye mana makofi bo a elembelemra hye bedwani wabie nsembisu enua san ene ye dua na fi
ne sa ahunti wobia de ne ho behyem no ntina na awatwe mu nyina nsem no ye besa akwa achi bio ni akobo ni nyina mu nkomo ni ebi ho a wote a osi ye na awatwe we nso baaye e wo Ghana ha ai Ghana de no a bi ho nso ate o se ba yofo nyanwanwa wo betumi aye ebi nso ho abete se chacha sa de no kura nya wie duru ni nyina aka ho Ghana nkomo Ghana this week sana kase edaso ye de besom wanti ye bekoya chi na Ghana nkomo ni nyina no ni yese o san tie bio na o tie bio na san tie ni bio no yabo ni nyina mu kama e de ama ho enen so as usual men at work na sa mo kan san kan de bi anim ho ene o de ato to Facebook ne so kama ene YouTube ne so ma bibia ye boko memedin wadoma nkoma chi ame Obrimpon nana kwaku ampoma mene
nana opon checheku enafi
triple A man ejapia apamdada
afe yenkejangum na yentete nsam no nyina ntetare ho sane Messi ni ana brechani woto mota na afe yema ho nyina ena ho kama ye ya tipenti afa ho na ho Ghana nsam no sane etie na we Ashanti Regional EPA director wanda ye kasa yi na papa yi ne kasa wo kasa nyina no wo ka ade a kire se sane ye mpotamo ye se no enye Dr. Jackson ade ya nyantachi wono na ye kasa yi woni ba wa bedu ne boss ankomo no ena wo kasa sane ye ne Ghana ha yegusu a ye boy homoden si ebetimi apre akoya nim na yetimi atumpon kakra no obahwa na obi si dan na obekwa akwahwe mu a ba bia wo si dan no woni permit mpo enso wo si dan no EPF woni no na enso wo si dan no ena no kra mpo no si wo si ni ba bia ya kama mpo a kana kra nke befa no 14 ba bia wo si dan na sie no utimi se hodi enso se atwa tu enso still na wo si na Dr. Jackson edi ya nyantachi wo tufo se yenyae na we no waka na santememu ba obedu nti
obia owo Ghana bia no wiase bia no ehunia ekoso owura wo dem a ontimi na se wanso air conditions so a ontimi na edem aye senso so ta ehoye low line because nso ni yira ebetimi aye ye ne aye sidan ewo nso kwan mu no yentwe ho fisa ne man because etimi ma nso yire etimi ba so all these things are climate change adaptation strategies are see ehwe ne ye afi ye ne ye emfuo so no se senso no tama wo pese eto no emma nti abra nso no bekapa kran hwe se be use cultural practices no e dia protect moisture na wetin dia ye info na ye aye nya ade be friend of climate smart agriculture said be ya ebeboa ma ye mfudie de bibia ye etimi akoso e dia ma ye
we aye Dr. Jackson adi ya nyantachi wono na Environmental Protection Agency wo mo kai so your authority won na da no wa asante mantem mu e no ne ba wa be du bon komo yi na kasaye du mu no e na senior lecturer e wo KNUST wo mo department no a your friend Department of Sociology and Social Work Mami Odano, your friend Dr. Mrs. Mary Sefa. One cry was also cry a research assistant. Oh, Kinkumi Mensa, and from more. One woman in Cabo Muna, one more than Comoka Craba, and I want Kinkumi Mensa, and one more Cabo, no me and you now work Canada, we Canada, and one more can boom, sir. Now I'm to the Cacratus to see.
Ananom ye ceremony kotodogu form e wose nyina ye de ho hwem na ye community yen kase ye ya mbra bi menko afuomu da sei menko fishing e da sei menko kati tree this forest is sacred nyina no mo de bo ye niam ho ban wo nti e wose ye to ye nananom agina no mo wa do mo de hwe environment ye nto aso
ye bo ho da road because obi okura onim se ade na o ye no e de ohaw beba nyame abode ne so onim se bia sa boto no ototo totwen elia na wo twitwa no eno na ama na ensu yiri bebre aba obi wo wa onim because eno no na ede climate change ni ba ma e ma ye weather no esesa nti ye sere so bia e free na koi on hwe se on to tun wangu basabasa na on to trend ya so basabasa utwa dia e wo se udua foforo
we Dr. Mrs. Mary Sefa one na kasa ni mo no one na ukọ Kwame Nkrumah Mamola Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology wo ba bia Department of Sociology and Social Works one no da no one na research assistant Kinkumi Mensa and one Cabo mu a wo mtotore sere na nanom
na wo edue hu ano pani kwanchefo a wono na woda EPA adwumako na no Professor Nana Ama Brown Kruche na dwumadie no wentimi amabi nanso na bedi akire a wono na wo hwe General Services so Dr. Jacob oba dwumadie na sibie na enum na odi to do achemu se EPA imprempre ayekasa yi omodu omo na ba besi fempa ama emra ebo yen sase ene afenso yen dwumadi awura yedi a sabe yemfa anidie biamfa ma no no womo se omo ba be hyemu kina na omo boa ama emra etato no emu atimi aba ba yedin na ye chewu se ubu nuabu anase bia wo ye dua de yawa ene no emra chewa obi nkyere se fa wasampa kodo ene waso ebe ye hepa na enumu ena Dr. Jacob echiremu kyerese enuadue ya aban dada aban mampani John Dramani Mahama wo pa ho entoma emfimpi mienu ena ye do nunum ni eyade a omoba ye eso abanfa so pa nanso ne nyina mu no wo kan sisu dua kire mu say tree for plants and answer tree for life reforestation initiative yi ade bi aban ni wom na sane aban ni wom so de obebo no modern say obehwe ama dwumadie no awie peyo.
Through schools, community engagements, media platforms, stakeholder dialogues, diverse professional groups, and partnerships with the civil society, as well as faith-based organizations. I am particularly pleased that today's program is held in a school. If we build environmental consciousness in our younger nation, we build a future which environmental protection becomes culture, and ultimately climate action is being strengthened across sectors through mitigation and adaptation measures. Ghana's climate change includes integrating climate change into national and sectoral planning. The EPA's climate change is connected to Ghana's participation in carbon markets. Then, as we speak, we have a team, the Ministry of Trade and Industry of Singapore, working assiduously with the Environmental Protection Authority's Carbon Markets Office to see how best we can work on carbon markets and credits. Ghana has developed an Article 6.2 framework to translate cooperative approaches of the Paris Agreement into practical use.
Dr. Jacob Parichuka Anan Quarry ena ebusuya yeti se wodi nsemu editu dwa wono ena waye deputy CEO edema Environmental Protection Agency ne nkrabata ehwe General Services wono ena obegina eye Dr. Professor Nana Amakruche Brown enimu a odi nsemu editu Ghana for enim.
Na wasa dwumade na se no elembelemmra hye bedwani wono na yensa ase agudi ewo mu ne kwaye atwede amponde adomye no wohwe so onabo Emmanuel Amakofibua na wono so kasa wo dwumade na se we World Environmental Day at the West Africa Senior High School enkran na sa ankomoboy ko so na sabre no na ya mane bofo ho nti ankwatiye
Madada and Franco Bibia, you are a touchima or Madada because a Madada no buy you. Yeah, the do I do not casse, yet yes, I can. The sign, and this book can say, as a mamma can say, I'm not can say, Nipa Baquame Tisse or cancer, and ye a branch to be a friend, lawyer de la sky. And not try the court to say, a family,
schools, and individual participating in this year's exercise to take ownership of the trees they plant. Let us water them, protect them from fire and destruction, monitor their growth, and ensure that they become thriving forests that would benefit future generations. This is our obligation as a generation that has been given the chance to watch over what God has given us. Our obligation is to protect it and leave it even better for those that will come after us. The choice of the West African Senior High School as the venue for this national celebration is highly symbolic. The future of environmental sustainability rests largely in the hands of today's youth. And so, my fellow students, you are not merely beneficiaries of environmental protection efforts. You are active partners in shaping the sustainable future. And this is where your leadership starts. I therefore encourage every student here today and
Amebra, I sense out na shebedwani, onimnyamfo ntim fodwo, sofo. Anu afre na na ponche chekumo se wo wansam kan ye bi ka kire won. Ni nyina ye LGBTQI+. Plus no de. Eno kra be hundua ne dua kra timi ware ma ne ye yi. Ho de no. Eno no wo kire se na no bill ya, wo mkwa pass no fiada bi etwa mu a. Wo mu mirika seriously. Wo mkwa ka bo mu yi. Wo kire mu sei.
Franco Bibia, you are a touchima or Madada because a Madada no buy you. Yeah, the do I hiding now. Do not say, yes, I can. The sign, and this book can say, as a mamma can say, I'm not can say, Nipa Baquame Tisse or can say, and a branch to be a friend, lawyer de la sky. And not try the court to say, a family, a war, some bills no or no dear, or no bill no other day, and Yagreen. Now, no fee say simple into no court, and my free ones are yet a parliament, they are come up press Ghana, Obiana and Yagreen. Say, no, and Kuababe Casse, 22 Roman free media and can the body and the Vevanetino. Sanquono and Quebec say, then amendment Makuma Kusi 31 and Kagana Fobetino. Now, when you see Mahama, President Mahama, so excuse me, for the greatest of respect, His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, and the Honorable Samuel NDC for Pia, put the most bell no, and Timu and Tino, Money will be on the court on Yagin, the President, 3,001 sign, Namoba with the best sign, Namoba, your mother must say a film good year, Mobile 22 releases. Meaning, he said, you're not the last time. Any film no abebo me sample and so let the would also think we 22 film and 31 cap
amendment makoma kwadu asa baako ade ede nko a ede enso no enya me nka we ni oka say ayo ni nyamfo ntim fodwo na wo wie no ana wo busa sa amendment ya wo mo aye ni exemption wo busa ho asem say
madada enfanko bibia ni wa tochima e madada ni because madada no ba ye no ye do ya e wa ha nyina do na ka se eye nyesan ye kai se ensan elisibo ka se ye se ma ka se no ne ka se development partners and you donors na won grow ska no donors na wo giska free wo ho no wo na wo sama wo ana wo suro wo enti na wuyi wo mo sinchen se wo mo de mra no wo metumi akobo ehun de ru sample or ye foreign donor or ye NGO or ye health worker or ye lawyer or ye journalist de or ye bia no se obo emra obo LGBT mo da ru krampa ye yinu insin chain no mra no oye above the law samra we na Ghana omo so ma pass ya omo edi hu ebobo de catch Ghana for no say emra na omo so ma pass no enye the same as emra no ye pass in 2024 no omo asesa no mo hwe nsu agumu atutumu sin nyina ade bia na ehu wo mu anka hu a na nka o wadwempo bi se wo kwakoye bia nka bebo hu no atrase mo atutu nyina afiri hu e de foforo be wure mu akwai se wo be se mra e de tia amrobes na wo de mara kuma amroba force amroba for mo am nkyere ye de sisemu a ebebo amo no mo de abrew na mo yi wo mo asin chense
na we nki yare chekere mai wo sha mara na ade mara na kwama amroba sefo se monye na mo hwe na ebebo amo na mo fa na ya kamere o na fo ntim fo jo no no e na wo ya analogy ni wo ho sa no wo wie ye pe na speaker ni ho enti anche bia da speaker bae eno ase he mo me de akire jam se mo hwe akire anu ma be sa me hoko monya de nto ho na mo mfefa ho a mo se ya ton bill no ba bia mo de akobia mo be sign de aba right honorable Alban Kingsford Sumana Bagbin Ninsemni
and all designated venues are ready to receive delegates and guests from across Africa and other participating countries. As you may be aware, I announced the suspension of the House for the period of the conference to allow the chamber bed for the conference. This year's conference will focus on several important thematic areas, including 1, the protection and strengthening of the African family system. 2, sovereignty and the preservation of African cultural identity. 3, the role of parliaments in safeguarding societal value. 4, youth development and moral leadership. 5, legislative responses to emerging social and ideological issues. And 6, strengthening collaboration among African states on issues affecting family and society. Key plenary sessions will also examine the issues of artificial intelligence and digital technologies on family systems, child protection, and social cohesion, with particular emphasis on the urgent need for ethical frameworks.
Emphasis ethical framework and wakabomu no enti we abambagmen no and I know Jordan no na wa pilot pa odi opon chicheku and odi nsemi fara so ma Ghana
na da no Jordan krona so abusia we krompo de efri eye Ibrahim Ajeho Mr. Menya footballer no na we resident country director of international investments openi and odi nsemi de ababetudwa and odi tudwa chemu say na nsentem ne ye wo no mo saa na yesi we jajam edam yi enso ye bie amenam so afa manfo niema bebre adankro makoma be ya aduo wotwe enum 85 ena tese den enso achim ade afa so nyina na wakasa de atodwa chemu se ebra so se wo mo sis dan e wasu tadebia no e wo se hwe na ye twe o madwen si emra kwan so pa ezan se wa woni se kwan ya wusi kwan wusi wadan osu yi eye nsuo kwan nanso wabɔ me mfita duku pe kwan ya se obetimi esi nsuo na no kwan nanso nsuo de se na tie bia no untimi nsi no kwan e wo ne kwan ya wo se wo fa so.
I'm retired now, but I remain a community activist. I have some concerns, but I would ask one question, and I'll let the president take the concerns away. I'm happy that the High Commissioner has invited us to this meeting to come and engage with the leader of our country. I've listened to some of the ministers, and it looks like the metrics.
Every economic transaction, caveat emptor. Let the buyer beware. When you bought it from me, is there no QS in Ghana, a quantity surveyor? Is there not a land administration? Because when you go to then the town and planning, the local government, to get your permit, I want us to always make sure that the Ghanaian is responsible. 2022, one person died. wager because of the spillage. The spillage has to happen because the dam's structural integrity is like 45 meters. When we had the rains coming in from the eastern region, the Densu River, we said water will find its way. So now, if the water is 45 meters is the limit, when it gets too much, the whole thing will collapse. And you can imagine what will happen then. So there are 5 gates, and then 2 were spilled, depending on the vote. Reading some of the commentary from 2023, these are some residents. We're saying that, Master, we don't care. It happens every now and then. So somebody does not care. You want to now give them government assistance? Because when we do that, we are not disciplining Ghanaians. And we will forever be complaining that why is Ghana like international communities outside? And so what do we do? In order to give them the assistance, maybe we need to cure the illegality. If you've built on an illegal place, I don't believe there's a statute of limitations regarding...
Mo, inti a resident country director, Edema International Investment, Yera Ibrahim, Ejei, and I said Dano Dradei, or then Samui Edituja.
Na no Edwadano, Ebusia, and someday BCC pa. One of my woman on it, Bra, Mampeni, or Coco Pieho, Chitru UK, Wamunya Dajiboja, Emma Mampeni, a Casa Tom, or Casa na, or Mubusan, some new year no. Nana, one of my woman on any be. Ede Nsembi eto Mampeni enim. Now dear, say one more and Papa.
I'm retired now, but I remain a community activist. I have some concerns, but I would ask one question, and I'll let the president take the concerns away. I'm happy that the High Commissioner has invited us to this meeting to come and engage with the leader of our country. I've listened. Every weekend, we see on TikTok the ministers apart instead of being with their constituents. They are talking to each other, blow time. It does not look good, Mr. President.
We one of my woman and near Ghana phobi, and a Mampeni could do one more the others way to the name say, the ministers and be more than a TikTok ministers. But I say one more corn, persuasion, no more, according to Tahono, now one more party or TikTok. Never and a Mampeni so, I did dear South Africa for just in Tanamo ye, ya, Emfra, what the toast to say.
Recently, we've always pushed for African unity, and so it's sad to see some of the things that are happening on the continent. There's no way that any African country can achieve the kind of progress that it needs without working with other countries. We cannot achieve it in isolation, and that is why we passed the African Continental Free Trade Area, so that our people can invest in each other's countries, our people can move freely amongst each other's countries. Ghana is actioning this. Recently, we have made visas to our country for all African passport holders free of charge. So any African traveling to Ghana does not have to pay for a visa.
We a Ghana Mampeni, Bra or copium, Ewo, London, Abrochere, and then Pamfo, or Mukrumwa, Ghana for a woho, Eshianona, or Mubusa Busan, and some of no, Ebino.
Na no Ebenadano. Ya wie dwoda de no. Ya kwa benada. Eno na French for kan maradino. Na adwoda no ya ka LGBT nkomo no wie ya speaker ba na wadwa line no. Ne benada wo kwa mra se bedwam no a o kasa ho. Eno wo ka se sa bill we pa de wo mon san famra.
Recommends its passage to the House. Neither did the proceedings of that day convey the unanimity, nor bipartisan understanding upon which the bill was initially promoted and deliberated upon. Whether or not these concerns raised on the floor and the public discourse are ultimately justified is not for the Speaker to determine. There are, however, concerns that go to the heart of parliamentary consensus and the confidence of the people and members in the legislative process. Honorable members, the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2025 and its implications on the LGBTQ+ issue is a global concern. Therefore, the eye of the world is upon this Parliament, the Parliament of Ghana. What we do here must be able to withstand any legal and constitutional challenges that are sure to come. The bill has from its inception been presented to the nation as a bipartisan legislative initiative.
As a bipartisan initiative. And I know about you coming and I say for us here. Sounds one day, or Mumra Silver Brofo. We Alban, Sumana, Kingsford Bagman, no. We no. Was a Mumra Silver for Nankasa, Moniwe.
Indeed, this statement is consistent with my obligation under Order 24B of the Standing Orders to promote consensus on matters under consideration in the House. It is with this conviction that I invite honorable members to reflect on whether further consideration of this matter may better secure the confidence, unity, collective ownership of the bill, and respect of our faith, laws, and passion of the nation. Accordingly, I respectfully appeal to honorable members to reflect carefully upon the issues raised and to consider in the larger national interests the bipartisan character of the bill, the unity of the House and the nation, and the need to maintain the highest standards of procedural integrity to revisit its decision on the third reading of the bill to permit a reconsideration of the
we aye Aban Sumana Kingsford Bagman Ghana mrase bejoma chiamehene
na edabina dano na eya abina ene kwabina for da corona no Bank of Ghana ebeyi nsembia no na we ne kura de na okasa de afa wo mo amdo musika potin akwakoto bank aso ye nanso ebaso mu yo musika na anu ayeden de ama omo enam so ama me ba ko a ono kura wo your customer o efia ansa kasaye edi tudwa kire mu se wo fisti ni sika ekwoto sika kura bia no 2021 wenyi sika ho no ma bepem sabre okoso kwakwa yi sika afi adane buachi bidin wo kire mu sei
Pajo am say na yesevu yesika e wo ha sei am say omo say yemfa yesika nkoto bangere to fia akromfo beba biwia by all of a sudden ye ba na yebeji yesika omo say gisa ye kakra so ya twen sa fedie bang no nipa na no omo ba ka ye wani da so say o sika ne de omo yemfa man ba so far as workers no wo ho a omo ya adwuma no e bia ni da so wo say yensa be kan yesika but all of a sudden no say no am say omo aye fafula mafuli yes omo ba so o yenko na ye kakra yensa Sika workers no se do
fani ka ganti me ko fie ti me ba se me bepe sika me ba ya o ma loke ya ba nkofo bebre ba o sa obi aba o mo se no china obi aba o mo se sika ni o ba nza so me ka no kore se bia bang na gunu o mo nka no kore nti enu mu ana ye wa nti ye hwe se sika ni beba ya twan ya se bia ma ya ko wa de bia o mo je ne o beba ade chon beba o china o beba sa
mo ade che beba o china beba sa na ekoso ebusua da no brada no e na nsemi ebe pieja
na which community is most beautiful, which district, so that people can see and compete on that, so that they try to make their what do you call it, region and community more visible. Our wish is that this
Yewra Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak aswansem ra shebedwani wo my Ghana wona so afọ hwe afisem so we eda brada na obi esansemi so
afa yenya fast na yandoji ni enwura ukwada mu na ukwada na nsem wo mpa ukwada kro yayi na mark 11 days 11 years kra bra June 3 disaster ni si ya no na ya ka ho asem no nti na no point teku eba madia kopie wasankaja wo koto na wakwa excursion akwesa ne yehotie wakwa ndo koshi asanyo hozi miame ofase ahoro na da wangana movement ano wo hia no pre no ze me ne me boys ne wa ha ye be kan bi na no kro ne nyame animi ni ensem wa mo ka ye no de na echenkuri
the may refidence na kofu ewu kofu da so bre na ye adwene se aka ban no aka woda ye capacity kofu yi aban eti omanhwe oman no yi internet asasa ni si ohwe emi ankofo a omusidan ewo issue ni kwem aka omanya ne saka issue no beko issue no aka ensa na chi emba ha no ya flat so APF omuhwe station yi aka event sa leakages no mu hu ye no stop no mo stop no tentem asembu yipunsi go for no mo hwe station na mo aka so no mo hwe station ni yi no omo so omo eti eti we na bomu na disaster yi ohwe nkofo yi na mo yi na enya aban companies na ya aban eti we die aban ejero wodi tum se wafum banko furniture na mo musike bi pa a ometuma hwe omo life yi na
we am ya mo fa asesa nyokwasi hosi one na esi we the ma wangana movement nti na anu ukwada no na ya de commemorate June 3 disaster 11 years eto o man no na ye ukwada eno ka ho wo wie ye pe na na ponche tekunu no ena wonu mo a wo mo aturenche bi eto won Yeah, na no kra on ba what bite so ma he no on bonkomo no. Wono so chi bi wan kwana ani bi bonkomo say.
Ye mi di ho ya pa ne so yenye aban no enye finance from enhwe ma omo a omo di dem e wo sa torrential me si enyina se ye beye bibia mom e bia ne se ye papa se ne ho si o ka se wo se nti ebi mu kran ti menya adwuma obi kra o ha opa adwuma onya enti nka kakra ye betimi aya mom ne sa sike ya nka omo pe se nipa no sanko betimi dia hye dwa wo fie kra na so betimi dia hye fu bi ase kra na ko no so ne sa
omo be se ka no kra no omo frɛ say oh wow ka si here no be fa kra no fa cost crafts na ga once the kra na ga wo be to na dia omo be se ka no ko man kwantre obi a ye ku bi sa omo no omo say order from above me ka si na ase ma pra ya nhwe me anya me hwe na ka me scraps o metima ton kra de didi no ya sa me fa ko say order from above eno kra na e mabufu kese because my primary ya on say
in fact man we no adwa pa say no work na nsem no adwa so opo ampe kasa na trabi no awata bia ma na anu mangu ne boso a ka de asem ne beba na anu wuku ada no e na nsem we nyina piepie
na ede wuku ada kro na no president awada Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference ano Most Reverend Matthew Kwesi Jemfi wono na waka say Reverend ya to de chemu say emra hye be fie ho no mo no munyan se an kokoba nie teteba nso nie ene ye de fa ha na ye yamfa ha na ye ene ne wo kan na ye pa na nso memfa wo se yemfa santi wachu ni nyina mfa nto nchen na yempa kwan a eye Human Sexual Rights and Family Bill no ye be he na fe betimi apa ho ntoma na agina mu ama na bamu na emusem a Most Reverend Matthew Jemfi editu jano ebini
Ghanaians elected wise, intelligent men and women to go to parliament to legislate and to make rules and laws for our nation. And that is the only thing we expect from parliament. The general populace will not be conversant with the rules and regulations within parliament. They have made those rules for themselves, and they have made rules that they can use to give the best of laws for the nation. So they are supposed to know better and to produce. So if they have done something that they know that this is not Ghanaians wanted, and they didn't use their own ways to arrive at this conclusion.
Most Reverend Matthew Jemfi ena yete se wakasa wono ena ye president of the Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference no ano ena openi wode nsem etuja
makredi no ena ye Wednesday eda wukuada no muna konfana cha ya asabia sa wo mu di kan be bo amane se accident and emergency unity ho ehwa ye manje se ado ya afọ bakura wo mu nya baabi nyene nto ena ye ni eni gina na wo mu be bo amane wukuada ne se ne ma sesa slightly ente se wo mu asan ye adwuma na Dr. Labi yaw won na ye acting medical director won na sa asemi obi so.
We are now accepting patients because we are gradually working on the patients, the almost 40 patients backlog that we had. And I have been through the wards, some of the wards this morning. The bed stage has only improved slightly. I must tell you that the entire D block, when I did the rounds this morning, had only 5 beds available. However, there are other wards that I haven't been to. So it tells you that we still have a challenge with beds, but because we know the critical role that we play in the country, looking at the number of facilities who refer cases to us from 12 of the regions of this country, we are now receiving referrals.
Enti eda wukuada no eno omba kire se sade wombo so brada no wukuada no duru na no ne ma sesenti o ma hyase efa ayafo na wie na ode wo ma desre eto mpanimfo enimu sei.
Yes, so as I mentioned, I know we've heard about projects like Afari, Sewa, some of the Agenda 111s. All these facilities plus the existing facilities have to be strategically looked at. And I know they are on the radar of the government. They should be strategically looked at and resourced. Human resource with the right skill mix or right skill sets, and then the right infrastructure and equipment. So,
enti dia na yakoso nyina no oba se wo ye ni ya sanka wani mutai wo mo wie afari hospital no na se wo ade ne de ka ho a ebe ma pressure da konfana chise no eso ate na abafem
afi yewura mu wada ya wada eno no makro mo baka no jeudi na yewura mu no na no ye June 4 edu June 4 there Ghana ha na ya sa yo nipka boje melo na ya sensem na ya se pinso na we womuko bono mantam no mu banda ena womuko di sa adwuma ya ndi si amnyoko no say ya ka June 4 uprising no a any revolution womunko no eno na vice president professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman wojina aban ne mampani anamu ekokasa awase na bra wo kasa no Nana Ajiman pambo sika nyina wura na wo ho nti oje nsam ne bae
ye beda obi ase so ma ba wo mama so say ene banda ne ma medisa afihye ye de obi ase ye ba ne be hu bibi sa no ya ne ewre fi say edwuma bebre komu ena ma ene ye nyina ba be hyem na ye ka ne say wie susu ananadom ye ne mienti aba be hyem wo ha ye bedi eye enfie eduonnan enson asem bi siye sa asem ne nyina nso ye nim ya beka ho abakosam a kire yen ene enim bebia na oman na aba bedu ene bebia yewo kasa ne de ate ne bebre na ne nyina nso ho hia aka bebi Christ ase eti bio eka ho ase emu bio wo ho a ye te ne ba ko a ya na ke ye pese ete no bebre ansa na aka ye trim
we aye professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman ne we wie ye no na abono mantam so afo no ho me ofa Joseph ade akwabo a apam ofa ase na wo ho bi eno ho no so se professor akasa wi a anka no nko anka no ano na nso otifi a wo bo home match de enso ade kakra to so.
And of course, the only distinguished day gave birth to our marriage and actual recognition of the reality of our commitment today to those for accountability, transparency, and fairness. As a memorable day that calls on us to pause and look deeply into our journey, it is a reminder that nations are only built by policies and political decisions, but are also shaped by the impact of leadership, whether good or bad, and by the enduring voice of people who refuse to remain silent in the face of perceived injustice.
Eno na wate ne brofo sa no wate wojina bono mantamu banda eno wa wesa brofo kama eri agu ho no we Joseph Adakwabo Esquire ya wono na ebono mantam no so afo na bra wo kasa nkomo enyina no na esikafo enyina ahene na agima yo san pambo ka ho na wona na wo ha wo sanse mi ba na no ya wada no
na insuo bete enkramantam anu sei da no ya wada na ye ya wo ne ya afo da no ena president awada Ghana Institution of Engineering oda omano engineer Ludwig anan wono ena wakasai wode atudo etrem se brea sesei inso to bokiti ba kokora na ehiri ebunkam de afa amanfo so na edi amanfo nya no ebra so se wo se omo ye engineer nso no omo pam no be kire omadwen e de fa ho engineer Ghana 40.
We used to have floods once a while, once in 10 years, once in 5 years, once in 20 years. But now we are sure that every year Accra will flood. So because for the past 30 years, 40 years, we've done things the wrong way. We've filled all the water holding places. We've built in every place. So when water falls, when rain falls, it's going to get into the center of Accra as quickly as it can. It used to take 12 hours from Aburi to Accra. It's now taking 1 hour. So we've put ourselves in a very dire position. All the water retention areas in Accra has been compromised. So we brought this on ourselves. We don't need a prophet anymore. And we'll have multiple floodings in multiple places in Accra every year.
Enti we engineer Ludwig anan enabusia yetene ka ono ye president awada Ghana Institution of Engineering ano ena yetene nka da no yawada no
ene yawada na mu ne ejina ni nyina mu no na ye koso aka wo se emfa ho ne se wote ya obia no ya na wapetam heba mixture ne bia no nom na ebetimi aba se atiridie na ye wo nka sesa na we ya mekan wo mo echeche ba mixture ka ho ende ye immune booster enti unya no manu ete se de wato fasuo afa immune system ne ho yade ntimi mmewo ntomadan ema ne pepa nti ade amma penso de mema ya mo nso muntungu so na emwa mo paye medimafo heba center Dr. Tam da so wonde de time ato ye nso a ye dimirika na ensem ne ye be ede ama sa de ebere no empa ho kura na ate ye nka wa chirichiri na benche poku asema yere ho na yade yira ana se wogogo yade no e wa bu akwa agogo aban so ku ni hwe ni mo pe na mmom se ukura HND degree ana wawie SHS na asore hyehyehye dem mu se na adwuma ni Ghana na bra ye bre wo frɛ ni na wo request bibia afiri obi ho a adwuma pai wono mo hwehwe marketers ne wono aye adwuma wani gye ho a wo de bebo sompafo amane fa application ni beja ha na adwuma wura kro no ba na wo hu se wo na ase fata no ane se wo fa no waye adwuma na mum tam da so acha bosume de toso nkono unya mfa maaya etwem enti ana wa hye ne nso sa na mum 21st clinic wo mu yesi atika commandant ampa wo mu ne mode eba research yare mu wo mu hwehwe ehunu na enu achi no wo mu asan adom na fe wo mu akutakutam ama hotaba wo mu Ghana ha ba bia anwumre wo mu kutaye mu ena nsempa no ye be ede amawo na abusua ansana ye besanzo wo mu kura no yewra hudu muktari Ghana Standard Authority womo na afri na womo de afra womo frɛ nyina no wono mo srese adawro ma sa internally generated fund ne de yetime boaboa no wo yempotemu no wono wo ebo chairman edema authority standard no na wo kyerɛkyerɛ enemam agency ne kwan a womo grant access kura na womo nsa etime koka fan ne bi na de etie de obo so eda ya wada no.
In the areas of the revenues that have been capped, the internally generated revenue, the government takes a certain percentage. If that could be relaxed a bit, that will help us to actually retool our laboratories and be able to recruit more hands. We realize that in the work we do, there's standard setting and there's also some regulatory aspect of it. And with that work, you need a lot of boots on the ground. The testing of heavy metals,
eno yewra hudu moktaria na ewie ye no sankomo ya ho ranking member edema trade and industry committee wo parliament wo wura Michael Wachrebefi wono nso ne die ne wone na oponchecheku ene che sansemi.
Over the period, it has been a perennial problem that everybody talks about, but they will just fix it because they don't have many workers or workers across the country, so they are not able to monitor and supervise. So when they leave, they will just recalibrate. I don't know whether they spoil the whole thing again and create a mess on the dispenser. That's the problem we are facing now. And everybody who uses the vehicle has encountered one of these problems. And we don't need to sit down on concern. That's how come I believe that my chairman said that there is a new...
Michael Wachrebefi wana na oponchecheku ena sankomwe wonu mo boy abusua eno for that moment no yenye enkratroti ya wamra.
Clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa na sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu ji international awards ahodo, wo mu ji local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji se 21st clinic nkwa wo mu die bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
No kwasem Emma Aketiapa. Yewie kase no ewo efiada. No amaka na vandredi no. Na nrafie no ana yora Samuel na George so afọ a ohwen kita on dey so ana digital technology innovations ningo pram na sebedwa ni na wakasa na we no wakasa ewa mra sebedwa ni ya friend say inter parliamentary committee na homo adwuma ho no ano ana okogina ni mu na no wakasa no wakire say o nim na say o kusi kwa kwa pornographic content bi anya Ghana de no a ho hyehye ni
78% of African children's content come from foreign platforms. So your kids, your grandkids are spending time, and 78% of the content that they listen to is from a foreign platform. 1 in 3 African parents are reporting that their children have gone wayward. They've lost the African value of respect for parents, and that's coming from online platforms. And you just need to take your time and listen to what our kids are watching and your grandchildren are watching online, and you'll be shocked at what they are being told is the new norm for dealing with parents. I mean, for millennia, the African identity has been a respect for the elderly and our communal living.
Anona, Oriya, no, Sam George, no. Anna, ranking member. Our Information and Communication Committee in Israel, Martin Yindam, Nianano Pandai, Kawamo Yana Fly, no. One also the Kakraka home, else say, what is a Sam George say, says, oh, go help no cra, just all the Ghana card. I mean, how?
I remember the kind of noise Sam George made when we were talking about the LGBTQ. Today, what is the fate of the LGBTQ? They have brought about 31 amendments to dilute a bill that Sam George said was the best. We haven't even finished talking about it. He is talking about identifying yourself with a pornographic film that you are going to watch. You see, we have a lot to do in this country, and Sam George has a lot of work to do. Look, he's promised to bring 15 bills to Parliament as we speak. Not even a single bill is in Parliament.
Wow. O dear, yanka LGBT nkomo nwie yanso aso obi ko repo no anfa Ghana card nko na ye hu se ni pass mesia na Ghana de wo kwantwa pa wo se abozo de bill makoma dunum no ba akokora wentimi nya hu adwuma nwie e na kasa tenten wo soro anu mama ne betri so nyame ne nka we eye matu nyindam panda mra se bedwane no.
Na yera ana Honorable Al-Hassan Sulemana Tampuli wono da no fiada no. In fact, odi nkomo bi beto opunu so a nokure ni amanfo etie sompa no mani je pa na wakokasa wo eye 4th Interparliamentary Conference ase ena ye rei ekasa dia fa oba ne oba ebeda ho bema ne bema ebeda ho bema ne obema ne oba wawade nanso si wo sanso pe ne nyonko ba bema wawade onso si wo sanso pe ne nyonko bema busu sam sei na yera Tampuli wakasa fa sa ne ye no.
If from today, 29 seconds more, please. Every man decides to marry a man and every woman decides to marry a woman, what happens to the African continent in 40 years' time? What legacy are you living as a parliamentarian in Africa today for your children? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, David. I want to assure you, it will never happen. It will never happen. A man will never marry a man here in Ghana.
To fiakwa inti yera Tampuli ena abusua yete se wo kan mra hye bedwani a wo gyina mu ma ade hye ne temamufo a ewo kuhyegu ena yete se wode nsem yi ade tu dwada no efiada no
enti fiada no na wono ma ewon kan ha ensu atotoye ba bia wo motete sumna mu de no wo nyina nsagu onti na ekwawie na fiada no mu kwankyerefo a wono ena ba inspectorate ewo nadmo ho a wodano ora Richard Amoyate oya kwankyerefo be kyere se wono de sompa no wotie enti se opese wo hu se de ewie mu nsakra ne besi aye na kyera nko ankokurokura hwenhwen ya ewo se wo nso utie sompa na utie futu na futu nie.
Some of them are the tertiary ones, that is those ones in front of our people's house, and then we must take responsibility for those drains ours and then clean them, because they will then take the water, it flows into the secondary and then into the primary. So if the tertiary drains are sorted, then we have overflows with the least amount of rainfall.
Enti ebagata kura na school home, tertiary, secondary and small primary. And this Kobasa tertiary hoyama na ba secondary na TC primary de na obi ahobeka we ye de fiada de ebobo bae eno so ni yegina na nwumire nsam ne nyina yesane na ye de asie so mpankura bata ne nyina FAB na no na nwumire 21st clinic wanya yemu wobo aboso ekuta yemu a ye make ase no mawo ye bia mawo nyina no na time herbal mixture malaria duro no na ekan ye ho na mom eba ya setene mu sa eyedima ne bedima ye nse de be na enka ye nto medimafo eba center Dr. Tam da so wo de tam to yare so nwumire wo mo na ekuta yemu a ensem no